Surfer aircraft. The Sky Surfer aircraft represents the next evolution in personal flying vehicles, compact, electric, and incredibly efficient. Created by inventor Hunter Cowell, this eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft is designed for individual use. What makes it special is its foldable frame, allowing it to shrink to the size of a suitcase for easy transport. Built from carbon fiber and lightweight composites, it combines strength with agility. Powered by clean electric motors, the Sky Surfer is quiet, eco-friendly, and easy to operate. It's ideal for short commutes or scenic flights over traffic-filled cities. A recent Kickstarter campaign raised over $35,000 from 38 backers, showing growing excitement for personal air mobility. Priced around $20,000, it's surprisingly accessible for such cutting-edge technology. The Sky Surfer turns the dream of personal flight into an affordable, futuristic reality. Kiteboat SP-80. Meet the Kiteboat SP-80, a revolutionary sailing machine designed to crush the world speed record. Built by a team of engineers and students from ETH Lausanne, Switzerland, this futuristic kite-powered boat aims to hit a jaw-dropping 150 km per hour. The project, founded in 2018 by Xavier Leppert, Benoit Gario, and Maël van den Broek, combines advanced engineering with the thrill of kite surfing. Every inch of the SP-80 is optimized for performance, from its aerodynamic carbon fiber body to its custom foil system designed to reduce drag and maximize lift. It takes design inspiration from motorboats, using stronger materials to withstand immense high-speed forces. Though its price remains secret, the SP-80 has already attracted massive investor attention. It's more than a boat. It's a symbol of human innovation, daring to push beyond the limits of wind-powered speed and change the future of ocean racing forever. Hydrogen Hyperion XP-1. The Hydrogen Hyperion XP-1 isn't just a car, it's a technological masterpiece redefining the future of speed and sustainability. Powered entirely by hydrogen, this hypercar rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds and reaches a top speed of 221 miles per hour. Its carbon titanium monocoque chassis and aerodynamic curves give it both strength and elegance, while its axial flux motors and high-voltage fuel cell deliver smooth, instant acceleration. The XP-1 proves that hydrogen power isn't just clean, it's powerful. Every detail screams innovation, from the lightweight body panels to the futuristic interior. Limited to a few exclusive models and priced around $2 million, this hypercar is more than transportation. It's a bold statement about where mobility is heading. The Hyperion XP-1 represents a perfect fusion of speed, sustainability, and luxury, driving us into a hydrogen-powered future. Starliner SL-25. Luxury, innovation, and compact design meet in the Starliner SL-25, the next-generation motorhome that turns travel into pure indulgence. Built on a 7.5-ton Iveco daily chassis, it features a glass fiber-reinforced monocoque body for superior strength and lightweight performance. Inside, you'll find 2 queen-size beds, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom, a dining area, and even a car garage, all packed into just 9.2 meters of length. The SL-25 uses automatic slide-outs to expand interior space and full automation for lighting, awnings, and garage doors. Its executive model is perfect for 4 passengers, offering unmatched comfort on the road. Despite its large amenities, it's designed for easy city driving. With LED lighting, climate control, and smart automation, the Starliner SL-25 isn't just a vehicle. It's a luxury home that moves wherever your heart takes you. Acento Guard. The Acento Guard is an autonomous security robot set to transform the surveillance industry. Developed by Acento Robotics, this futuristic robot uses AI-powered intelligence, thermal and infrared cameras, and autonomous navigation to patrol complex outdoor environments with ease. It can handle rough terrains, extreme weather, and long shifts, all without human supervision. With a battery life of over 4 hours and the ability to self-charge, it operates continuously day and night. Acento recently raised $4.3 million to expand its robotics as a service model, allowing businesses to rent it for as little as an hour. This drastically cuts costs while delivering top-tier security. Its design focuses on efficiency, adaptability, and reliability, making it ideal for factories, campuses, and event spaces. Affordable, intelligent, and tireless, the Ascento Guard represents the future of security, where machines protect, monitor, and learn all on their own. Voch Smartwatch. Say hello to the Voch Smartwatch, the world's first wearable that truly replaces your phone. This groundbreaking smartwatch integrates LTE, GPS, and a detachable Bluetooth headset directly into its sleek circular bezel. With a 1.3-inch AMOLED display powered by an ARM Cortex-A53 processor, it delivers stunning visuals and seamless performance. The built-in earpiece detaches with a quick twist, letting you answer calls instantly, and when you're done, it snaps back to charge right from the watch. Powered by a 530 mAh battery, it provides up to 3 hours of talk time and lasts all day on standby. You can even customize the bezel with 4 color options to match your style. Priced at just $179 on Kickstarter, the Voch smartwatch is not just a gadget. It's a glimpse into the future of wearable communication, blending function, fashion, and freedom. Buran Armored Vehicle. The Buran 4x4 armored vehicle from Russia's Rida Holding is a rugged military-grade off-roader built for both defense and transportation. Based on the Gaz military truck platform, it's powered by a 4.4L Euro 5 diesel engine producing 200 horsepower and 670 Nm of torque. With dual 95L fuel tanks, it can cover up to 900 kilometers on a single run. Its ground clearance of 340 mm and heavy-duty suspension allow it to carry up to 3 tons of cargo across rough terrain. The Buran comes in several configurations, including a crew version that seats 10 people. Its dimensions, up to 6.28 meters long, give it a commanding presence. Pricing varies depending on model and options but averages near $99,000. Durable, reliable, and combat-ready, the Buran is a versatile armored vehicle built to withstand the harshest missions and deliver consistent performance. Jeep Bob Concept. The Jeep Bob Concept takes the ruggedness of the Wrangler and combines it with the flexibility of the Gladiator pickup. Unveiled at Moab's Easter Jeep Safari, it features a doorless body and a shortened pickup bed for better approach and departure angles, perfect for extreme off-roading. Its open-air design and canvas roof create a fun, adventurous vibe while maintaining Jeep's classic look. Built on the Gladiator Rubicon platform, the Bob Concept showcases Jeep's creativity and passion for off-road innovation. The custom chassis and lightweight design improve agility over rocky terrain. Although there's no commercial version available, it demonstrates what future off-road Jeeps could become: lighter, stronger, and more engaging to drive. The Jeep Bob Concept isn't made for sale, it's made to inspire. A true symbol of freedom and adventure, built for those who live for the trail. Chevrolet Silverado Off-Road, Chevy Beast. The Chevy Beast is an off-road concept truck based on the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, designed to dominate desert trails. Unveiled at SEMA 2021, it packs a 650 horsepower supercharged 6.2L V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Its widened stance, long travel suspension, and 37-inch off-road tires allow it to handle extreme terrains with ease. The Beast also features upgraded Fox COI levers and big brake systems for total control. The aggressive design and stripped-down frame make it look like a desert racing monster. While it's still a concept vehicle with no production plans, it showcases Chevy's engineering creativity and off-road vision. Built purely for performance, the Chevy Beast isn't about comfort, it's about conquering nature at full throttle. This is Chevrolet's bold statement: the future of off-road trucks is faster, stronger, and far more thrilling. Flying Huntsman 6x6. The Flying Huntsman 6x6 is a handcrafted masterpiece from Con Design in the UK, a luxury six-wheeled pickup inspired by the iconic Land Rover Defender. Its extended chassis adds 880 mm in length, giving it a more dominant stance. Under the hood lies a 6.2L GM LS 3V8 engine that delivers 430 horsepower, ensuring powerful performance on and off the road. Its six-wheel drive system, wide arches, and signature X-Lander grille make it a true showstopper. Built using traditional coach building methods, each unit is assembled by hand to maintain perfection. The interior combines luxury materials with rugged durability. Priced at $279,999, the Flying Huntsman isn't just a vehicle, it's a work of art. It blends British craftsmanship, American muscle, and off-road capability into one incredible machine built for those who demand exclusivity and raw power. Cable Drum Roller Trailer. Cable Drum Roller Trailer Cable Transport Our Deployment Klia Design Kia Gaia EK Specialized Trailer System High, Joe Power, Telecom, Our Infrastructure Industries Mine widely use Hodahe. Iska Strong Chassis Heavy Cable Drums Co. safely carry Carne Klia Engineered High, with load capacities ranging from 1.2 tons up to an impressive 30 tons. Hydraulic Lifting System Drums Co. Effortless Tariq Say Lift Our Lower Carne Key Ability Data High. G's Say Manual Labor Our Risk Don and Reduce Ho J Hain. Once Drum Secure Ho J. Integrated Roller Mechanism Controlled Rotation Allow Car to High, enabling smooth cable payout directly from the trailer. Advanced Braking System Uneven Roads Par Be Safe Towing Ensure Car to High. Integrated Lighting and Electrical Wiring Road Regulations Co. Meet Cart Hain Our Night Operation Co. Safe Benete Hain. Ye Trailer Cable Installation Projects Co. Faster, More Organized, Our Far More Efficient Bana Deta High. Segway Villain SX10. The Segway Villain SX10 is a high-performance side-by-side ATV designed for thrill-seekers. Powered by a 1000cc 4-stroke parallel twin-cylinder engine, it produces an impressive 105 horsepower for an exciting off-road ride. Its aerodynamic, aggressive design ensures both style and function. Equipped with a CVT automatic transmission and advanced suspension, dual A-arms in front and multi-link trailing arms in the rear, it offers up to 18 inches of travel for smooth handling over rugged landscapes. The Villain SX10 is built to take on mud, sand, and rocky trails with ease. Inside, it features sport seats and intuitive controls, giving riders maximum comfort and confidence. With an MSRP starting at $16,299, it's one of the most affordable yet powerful sport ATVs in its class. The Villain SX10 delivers everything you need for speed, control, and adventure-packed fun.